Once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss again related to last video on the surrender value. And in this video, we are going to discuss about another two surrender value, right? What is that? One is called guaranteed surrender value, and one is called special surrender value. Now, what is surrender value? How it is going to affect what exactly the calculation? All these things we have discussed in the last video. But now, what is guaranteed surrender value? So there will be a guaranteed amount also for your policy if you are going to even terminate this, even you are going to break the entire even contract even in between after paying even 3 years minimum premium. Now, what is guaranteed surrender value? So that means there the calculation is very strict. It is already been given on your policy. So if your policy, if your plan, if your product is falling into that same category, so definitely you are going to get that guaranteed sum assured even as per the calculation. Now I'll give a very simple calculation, a simple example also. So let's say in my policy, let's say it is mentioned, it is a guaranteed surrender value. It is mentioned, let's say 30%. Means if I pay, let's say minimum 3 years, as I told you as per the terms and condition as on date. So if I pay, let's say minimum 3 years and already I have paid, let's say 3 years. So after that only I'll be eligible for my surrendering my policy. So if I surrender, let's say even after 3 years, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever years even I'm going to surrender, whatever already I have paid means the premium, whatever I have paid, on that it will be, let's say 30%, 40%, 50%. What exactly the guaranteed sum assured, it is already mentioned in my policy. So in a simple example, if I do this, if let's say I have paid almost, let's say 1 lakh premium, just an example, and let's say with these terms and condition, the guaranteed surrender value it is mentioned 30%. Means on 1 lakh 30% means 30,000 I will be getting as a guaranteed surrender value. No other calculation. Straight I have paid 1 lakh and I'll be getting 30% of that. It is guaranteed, it is written, it is given. On that 1 lakh, I'll be getting 30,000 of that. Now, again, you might be thinking, so 70,000 it is my loss. 70,000 is gone. That's what I already explained in my last video. You can again go back, you can again watch what are the effects is going to happen on if you are doing your surrender value. And as I told you, this is all your individual decision. I'm just here to explain you what exactly all about this, how you are going to be affected by this. So decision is yours, right? So now we understood what exactly the guaranteed surrender value. Now, what is special surrender value? Special surrender value means it is beyond this guaranteed surrender value. Nothing is mentioned. It is beyond that. No amount is mentioned. It is beyond that. And that is all about known as your special surrender value. For that, we have a different calculation. But if I look out, guaranteed surrender value, it will be paid based on whatever I told you in that example. But if it is special surrender value, it will be above this guaranteed surrender value. So these two also we need to know. Even though any unfortunate event, whenever I need to face this situation, if I need to even go for, unfortunately, for surrendering my policy, so I should know even what is surrender value, what exactly guaranteed surrender value. If it is mentioned, then how much I'm going to get, what is the percentage it is mentioned, what exactly I'm going to get out of this percentage, and then about this special surrender value also, right? I hope this will definitely it is going to help you all of us. And if any questions, any other doubt, I'm always there on my chat box. I'm always there in my mailbox. Just waiting for your all queries. Thanks. Thanks for watching.